How to disable Godaddy website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to disable or unpublish a website that you have created on Godaddy. So we are going to head over godaddy.com, sign in into your account, and then we are going to visit our products from the account. Once we have did that, we're going basically here to see all the websites that we have, and we're going to choose one of them. So we are going to click on the website just like that, and we're going to see all the elements for the website. So we're going basically to head over the right side of the website, and as you can see, this one is going to be on draft, so I'm going to publish it real quick until I going to see it published. So we are going to wait for that, because when you're going to disable a website, you need it at least published, and this is the first thing. So as you can see here, we have a published website. Now what are we going to do to disable that website is going to be very simple. Either you are going to click on unpublish from here, or you're going to head over the settings on the top header of the control panel and click on unpublish. You're going to click on unpublish, you're going to confirm that choice, and you're going to have it just like that, and it is going to be unpublished. So as you can see, it is going to take a couple few seconds, and then you're going to click on OK. So you're going to confirm that your website is unpublished. So with that, as you can see, the status of it is going to be not published. Now, basically, it is going to be very simple and easy to publish it again. You can go ahead and do that at any time by clicking on publish, and here you go. If you have a website that has been connected to a domain, you can go ahead and unpublish it, and then you're going to head over your dashboard of the GoDaddy account, and you can go ahead and disconnect that domain. So you're going to let's say here, confirm the unpublishing of the website from the domain, also from the web. And if you're going to connect it again or publish it, it is going to take the sub website or the subdomain that you're going to get from GoDaddy. When you have disabled your website from the GoDaddy or the net, you can go ahead and take your time and modify whatever you have into it. Because if you're going to have some live modification into the website itself, it is going to be a little bit confusing for the users. Why? Because it is going to be simple. So let's say that we're going to take a little bit of an example of like that. So let's say that I'm going to have a button for the sign up, and maybe I'm going to have a problem with the subscription box or the let's say storage that I have saved all the email addresses, and I'm going to save it. For example, if I'm going to do that, basically when a person is going to type in their email, click on sign up, it is not going to be successfully set up. So that is a reason why you should disconnect or disable your website before heading over something else. Unfortunately, you cannot delete a website that you have created on GoDaddy Website Builder, but you only need to unpublish it or disable it by clicking on unpublish. Also, you can do that for the websites that you have, let's say here some stores added on them, and you can go ahead and modify the products that you have, or modify the, let's say here, prices, checkout, or the cart options, and also the discounts that you're going to apply to your website or the products that you have published. So this also is going to be available or doable for the appointments. If you have added a service on appointments and maybe you're going to set up the availability time for the appointments, you're going to have it as the same way as you've did. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.